Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the new Journal app on the iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to use this new Journal app on your iPhone devices, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to use this step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so basically the new Journal app is actually a new feature that goes on the iOS 17.2 update. So in the case that your iPhone device does not have the new iOS 17.2 update, of course you do need to wait for that update to be available on your device so that you guys could have the new Journal app. Now as of the current moment on my device, I only have the latest update available on my device is going to be the iOS 17.1.1. This doesn't have the new Journal app, but even though that is actually present, I could still show you guys how to use this new Journal app. And what we need to do is, of course, as well as I said a while ago, to make sure that we are having the latest iOS 17.2 update. Now, if you don't have this update available, all we need to do is to play the waiting game, because we need to be patient until Apple makes this available on all countries worldwide. So it does periodically roll out onto specific countries first before going ahead and rolling out to everybody which has an iPhone. Now, what we can do on the new Journal app once you have it already is to go ahead and basically launch the app. So what this is essentially it's just something like a diary, or a digital diary if you can call that, which allows you to take some notes, but it's totally different from the Notes app because what you can do is much more. You can go ahead and journaling. You could also enter a new entry, add some date, add some extras, and do lots of stuff beyond that. So once you already have that downloaded, of course, all we need to do is to launch the application, and then from there you can now proceed with tapping on the plus icon on the middle of your screen. So once you launch the application, so let's use the Notes app for just an example, and from here there will be a specific plus icon right here on the middle of your screen, and all we need to do is to tap on that to start journaling. Now from there, all we need to do is to accept all of its terms and conditions, turn on journaling suggestions, and you could also proceed with accepting or allowing and disallowing notifications. But once you're done, you can proceed with tapping on the plus icon in the middle of your screens on the Journal app, and then entering a new entry. So from here, it's basically going to be somewhat like the Notes app, since you could proceed now with writing your journal or whatever you'd like to write on your journal application. Now from there, once you're done writing, you could also change the specific date or enter a specific date as of the current moment to basically enter a date of when you have started writing and just mark your specific journal with a specific date. You could also go ahead and add some extras. Now, beyond adding some specific journals and writing some stuff on the Journal app, you could also go ahead and add some photos, add some voice recordings at a specific location, and also draw on it. Now from there, you could also go ahead and post on the Journal app and basically share your journals with also other people if you prefer to do so. But essentially that's what you guys need to know on how to use the new Journal app on the new iOS 17.2 update. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.